What's going on, everybody? Got housekeeping outside cleaning, so wanted to quickly come in. But here at Caesar's Palace to do a room tour of the Palace Premium King Room 1414. And immediately coming into the room to your left is a full body mirror, so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip with plenty of lighting. And coming into the main part of the room behind these doors here, these are your closets. You do have two of them. So behind these first two doors are just some hangers and a luggage rack. So you can hang your things up, store things in there. And then behind these set of doors, there's the light, is your ironing board and an in-room safe. So if you need to lock up your valuables, you have a safe to do so, as well as some extra shelves for extra storage space. And then across from the closet is this huge updated bathroom. Very nice. So going from left to right, as you see, you've got another mirror. And this is your jacuzzi tubs, the very big and nice jacuzzi tub. Here are the buttons to control the jets. So if you want to bubble it up, that'll be the button for you. There are your two mirrors above the his and hers. And then below are your towels. And then behind this door is your toilet. So you've got a separate toilet area with the updated tiling, as you see, going all through the bathroom. And then this is your standing shower. It's a very nice standing shower with the updated tiling all the way up. So this is a newly renovated room. It's very nice. You've done a good update so far, I would say. Going into the main part of the room, before we get into the bedroom area, this is a vanity area for those who need to glamify themselves. You've got a space to do so. And then in the main part of the room, as you see, you've got a nice size space in here. So over here on this side, this is your entertainment area. But first, if you do have a connecting room or suite, this is the connecting door for it. And then this is your mini bar area. So you've got some snacks up here. And there isn't a mini refrigerator, but they do have a mini fridge full of drinks. So if you want to get some beers or some airplane bottles, just move it off the sensor to charge your car, use the check-in. There's a flat screen TV above, and then your ice bucket. And then down here below, you've got some drawers if you need to store things, more storage space if you need more from the closet. Then across is your king size bed, so got a nice space for the king bed. And these are lamps on both sides, but I just wanted to point out you do have USB and standard outlet charging connected to the lamps. So whatever type of devices you need to charge, you can do that bedside from the lamp. Over here you have a work desk area, so if you need to handle some business, you can do so. You also have a coffee maker that is complimentary, nice Keurig coffee maker chair for you. And then as you see over here, you've got a sectional couch. So I don't believe there's a pull-out bed. Let me check. Yeah, no pull-out bed. So this is a sectional, no pull-out, but it's extra space if you have extra guests. And then an extra chair here. And here are your views from the room. So you can see another tower of Caesar's Palace. But you've got your pools down here below. In the summer times, it'll be more busy, and this is currently going on during the coronavirus situation, so I don't think you can see it in the camera, but there are some people down there at the hotel pool. And then that's your view of the city. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.